There's something about this body that makes you stop. The stance is low, purposeful. That long hood, fastback roofline, it's all muscle but with a bit of elegance. Look at the crisp character lines, the way the stripe cuts through.
First thing you notice sliding in is how low and flat these buckets are. They're wide with firm bolsters wrapped in grainy vinyl and a little orange piping that ties back to the paint outside. The dash is simple, big round gauges.
The moment you roll the wheel, it loads up with that perfect old school weight. No electronics, just steel and tires talking to you. Feed in the throttle and the big block shoves you forward with a deep
First turn of the wheel and it surprises you. There's real weight here, but the response is immediate. Old school, yet communicative. Roll in the throttle and that 429 wakes up.
The steering's got that old school heft. Nothing artificial, just a solid mechanical feel. You know exactly where the front tires are. Lean into the throttle and it wakes right up. The 429 shoves you back.
Under the matte black hood sits Ford's 429 cubic inch Cobra jet, wearing a Ram Air lid and good for 375 horsepower and 450 pound-feet of torque.
Under the matte black hood scoop sits Ford's 429 cubic inch Cobra Jet V8, breathing through a big 4-barrel. It makes 370 horses and a stump pulling 450 pound-feet of torque. Power routes through a
V8. Under that shaker hood sits Ford's 429 cubic inch Cobra Jet V8, 375 horsepower, 450.
Front, the twister runs forged steel upper and lower control arms with a hefty 1-inch sway bar. A 398 pound-per-inch coil spring and gas shock keep that big block nose planted, while 11.25-inch discs handle the stopping.
Ford built the Twister Edition to put Kansas on notice, and its underpinnings were up to the task. Up front, heavy-duty coil springs and short long arms work with a beefy sway bar and gas shocks. Out back, semi-elliptic leaf.
This Twister Edition may have rolled off the line in 1970, but inside it's packing tech you expect in a brand new GT. The old radio opening hides a 7-inch touchscreen with CarPlay and Android Auto. Behind the classic needles,